So as you've seen, it is a complex site, so it's really important to get this right. So the site area is approximately 12,000 square foot. It's horse chestnut tree to the southeast of the site. I knew that was coming. All right, next to, wait for it. And it's been really frustrating at times. It almost soul destroying with a total GDV estimate of around, but fear not. Hi guys, welcome to the video, and today we are at our new North London site where we are going to start very soon one of our largest, most complex and most expensive developments to date. So the site area is approximately 12,000 square foot, and we are going to be building 23 high-end, high-spec apartments near to the desirable location of West Hampstead in London. The site currently has this existing detached building house behind me. Currently it consists of poor quality, undersized flats in it at the moment. And as you can see, the facade is also asymmetrical, so not in keeping with the rest of the character of the street. What we're going to be doing is demolishing this building and building new high quality 23 apartments in place of this, which will enhance the character and surroundings of the area. So when I said this project was complex, I mean complex. This project is going to involve cranes, it's going to involve piling, it's going to involve basement dig out, it's going to involve retaining walls, all while working on a tight site on a corner junction with a level change next to, wait for it, a railway line. And as if that wasn't enough, the site is also subject to a tree preservation order with this horse chestnut tree to the southeast of the site. I knew that was coming. All right. Which means we're going to have to be extra careful around the root protection area. But fear not. But fear not. We have been here before, albeit on a slightly smaller scale. Reese, cue in some past projects. So we do have the knowledge and experience to take this on. So not too long ago, we had a meeting on site here with our structural engineers. So they needed to come here and get a proper understanding and feel of the site, especially all the level changes to the surrounding roads and pavements compared to the actual site, because the existing site also has a lower ground level, and we're also going to be going down and digging to a basement level. So this meeting was really important to get an understanding of the strategy and methods for construction on this project. So as you've seen, it is a complex site, so it's really important to get this right. Getting it wrong could just cost us so much money. But I mean, the meeting was really important because it helped us understand as well where we'd need, for example, retaining walls and sheet piles, this kind of strategy for the basement excavation. It was a helpful meeting, gave us a proper understanding of the next few steps and an idea of costs involved as well. Getting the method and strategy for the construction correct is really, really, really important. So the building is going to be split into two blocks, Block A and Block B. Block A is going to have 16 apartments, and it's going to have a lift access and everything, and Block B is going to be smaller, it's going to have 6 apartments, but it's going to look as one cohesive building, which steps up as you get closer to the junction, creating that hierarchy that you would expect on a junction like this. And yeah, it's going to It's going to look amazing. It's going to have a communal garden to the rear. There's going to be a little trail path which goes around the building that leads you to this communal garden. Yeah, the whole building is going to look amazing when it's done. I can't wait. I cannot wait. It's going to be a welcome addition to this area. So guys, this is a joint venture project for us. We've teamed up with the landowner in bringing along our expertise in designing and taking this scheme through planning, and then to eventually build it out, and to build out the scheme of 23 luxury apartments with a total GDV estimate of around 17 to 18 million pounds, near to the desirable location of West Hampstead in London. The joint venture partnerships can be a good way of doing developments, especially with the high cost of land these days. It gives you access, as a developer, it gives you access to land without the initial purchase and therefore the initial capital outlay, and so it reduces the risk as a developer. So yeah, it's our first big proper joint venture scheme. So it's taken us over a year of back and forth with Brent Council, with various pre-applications, amendments, changes, and it's been really frustrating at times. It almost soul-destroying sometimes, but eventually we came to a scheme that we think they are in agreement with. So we submitted our planning application in April this year, and as of today, from what I understand, the planners are going to recommend it for approval, which is great because it's been a long time coming. The whole journey has been a bit painful, slow. That's just the way it goes here. That's just planners for you. Not much you can do about that. But we've worked as quickly as we can. Every time we've had to make changes, make amendments, we've got them done very quickly and submitted it back to the council. So the ball's been in their court more than it has on our side. So yeah, frustrating, but it is what it is. I can't wait to get started on this project. And when we do, I want to bring you guys along for the ride. I want to show you guys regular updates on site on these videos, so you can see the whole journey from start to finish of this building. But for now, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you at the next one. On next week's video, I visit our development Bastion House, which we finished a few years ago, and do a Q&A from the roof terrace. It's a 9,000 square foot building, 5-story, as if like you're sort of piercing through the brick facade. Why do you still do this? Haven't you made enough money? I went to town with this house. We achieved a total GDV of, yeah, that's why I'm still going. God, that got quite deep there, didn't it?